Hi, Alice. What are you doing? Are you going crazy because you're supposed to be sleeping? Alice, are you having a drink with your sunglasses and your favorite scarf? There's your other scarves over there that you were wearing earlier. Yeah. Do you like water? Yeah, you know how to do it. Do you want some of your new bunny cup? Let me get that for you. There you go. Hey Alice, take your cup. You can take it. Here, I'll put it like that for you. Really? I know those ears are confusing. You gotta suck on the straw. There you go. Can you say bye? Bye-bye. Or Alice, hey, one more thing. Oh, there's Turbo. Alice, where's your nose? Alice, where's your nose? Good job. Can you wave bye? Bye-bye. Bye. Good girl.